Here is how to change or insert a voucher text. What you do first is you prepare your voucher text, maybe in a Word document as I have done here. Make sure that it says how much is included, meals, guides, sleeping bags, equipment and things like that. Make also sure that it says something about the start and end of the trip, and also if the customer needs to do something, in this case they need to submit a copy of passport and 2 pictures, and they also need to attend an info meeting at our office. Make sure all these things are on the voucher, because this is your insurance that they cannot come back and claim something we didn't know or something like that. Okay, so we go into tour plan, we open the database, we're gonna locate the product. In this case I can remember it's a 12-day trip in Nepal, and we go to the product here, and here you can see we have the voucher set up, voucher text, and here we can edit. So what you do now is basically go back into your Word document, and from here you're gonna copy and paste into the database, and then you're just gonna skip in and out, copy pasting all the new information. And basically when you're done, you can also go in and edit and add small stuff, whatever you can do as you please. When you're done, remember to click save, and this new content will now follow out of the voucher. Please be sure that all your voucher texts are updated at all times. This was how to create or change a voucher text.